All you can study just by doing these things in your lab condition. So don't bother about practical classes. You can enjoy your practical class just in the lab itself. You are in the home, in the lockdown phase or in the COVID-19 crisis. Don't bother about practical class. We teachers are ready to show you everything. Okay. So we have microscope with me and the temporary slides which already I show you how to make the temporary slides of onion peel. And now we are going to observe what exactly we are able to see through this compound microscope. So are you able to ready to see again? Okay. So I have already prepared the onion peel. You are already observed how to prepare it. And I am putting this onion peel slide here, how to get the structure of cell. Okay. So the thing is that I have doing everything, but I will not keep my eyes here in the eyepiece. Rather, I will put my smartphone camera just on the eyepiece region. Okay, just like this. And you are able to observe. Okay, just watch how you are able to observe. So I am putting the slide here. Let me set it first. Just a minute. Let me set and then I will show you. Okay. Wait for a moment. Yes, we have the structures. And are you ready to observe now? So just a minute. Okay. Just on the camera. Then I'll put my camera on in the eyepiece, and through the eyepiece you are able to get the direct structure which are observed through the compound microscope in low power. Am I right? So that's how. Okay. So suppose here I am going to take another slide to show you the structure of tissue in plant or animals. So let me take another one. Just wait for a moment. Just the slide at first. And in the Hydra, I think you are able to observe tentacles are there, na? Am I right? In Hydra, there are thread-like structures on the head region that are called tentacles. And you are able to observe it. Let me show you. Let me adjust it first. And then I'll put my smartphone camera just on the eyepiece and you are able to observe. Just wait. So let me adjust. And I am just focusing the tentacle parts of the head of Hydra. So that's how you are able to do your practical class in this COVID-19 crisis. You are at home, but although you are able to observe the different slides, temporary or mounting or the models, anything. Okay. So yes, I want to show you now. Watch. I am putting my camera, smartphone camera here on the eyepiece. And are you able to see certain